told you that. I'm all in.
We're now YouTubing. This is going to be on YouTube. It's okay?
Yeah.
Tonight it'll be posted on YouTube. The conker. Whoa!
I got one up.
Right.
Rocky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Robert.
mine's a one up.
No yanking.
No yanking. No.
Oh, hang on. I'm not going to edit this. Come on, next one, please.
That's behind you. Next competition.
Next competition. Oh, they're down there, right?
You can't say that.
Teams or something.
No, I just think there's no system at all. This is going to be on YouTube tonight. You're going to sit down and watch it.
If you go and grab another one.
It'll take me. It takes about an hour to download, I'm afraid.
Another one.
I forgot my camera. I can't get it in.
Right, this is Hong Kong versus Worcester. Oh, that was a good one.
It's a cracker.
It was a cracker.
How do you put them in?
Thread it.
Yeah, I did that.
It's your idea, Rob.
Good strike.
Okay.
Are you split yet, Mel?
Probably the reason why they're banned. I can see why they're banned.
Well,
Just keep your eyes closed, Rob. It doesn't matter.
Got your glasses on, Mel?
hey?
That.
Ooh.
Isn't it?
That was a bit of a yank though, isn't it?
There's a way to do this.
Oh yeah.
Did it on the side.
Well, James has got a conker injury.
Oh yeah.
Still ready? Oh, Mel.
That's good.
It's the best of three, is it?
No, no, you keep going until
go.
one dies.
Till it
Okay.
goes.
Come on, Dad.
Did
You
you
line your
die?
conqueror up. Yes.
Did you lose? Where's the shoelace then?
It's a highly dangerous game.
Brilliant.
Oh, you start. It's sporty for kids. Banning it
Safer
from
than
school.
throw each other in the singing nestles.
There you go. Oh, I've got one. I've got one.
Two.
But that was great fun as well. Oh, shot.
Not enough force, Rob. Come on, Mel. You can do it.
Trying.
You've got a very short string there, but it's power, isn't it?
I said I can't do that. He's wearing them. She said, that's fine.
You felt the power.
Right, she's a vet. If you fall over, she'll look after you.
Oh, you vicious man.
I'll call the doctor.
You don't put one of her rubber gloves
Is it boys against boys and girls against girls?
Well, there's only two girlies. Simon put mine.
Really?
There's a bit in the middle.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
You just go, Mel.
There we go, come on. No, it's what he had to get. Simon got a thing. Look, there you go.
What? Oh, right, that's quite good, yes. We wonder how we're playing conkers here.
One up.
Oh, we missed the action.
Sorry.
That's all right. No, I was filming
You
you.
want to battle me?
There we go.
Mark. Who you get to Mark?
Right.
No, I got through one round. You got to.
Yeah, actually, well, you got 1 second. Mine's already a champion. I want to risk it. Yeah.
Likewise.
Hey,
I need a resin.
Mark, what is yours looking like after that kind of impact?
You're not allowed to break it.
Definitely want to play that.
Oh, I got to you.
No. We'll wait until we can
Is
pick
there a
off a weak
distance?
side with mine.
Yeah, just don't hit my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, the technique's don't hit my hand.
Well, I want to have a go at somebody else and I can try and get
Do you have 3 shots, is it?
Well, my aim.
Not me.
Control yourself, Ruth.
Around the houses.
Just don't. It's blowing in the wind. No, just. I'm not that useless. Oh, I'm not.
Get on, Ruth. Come on. Knock him for 6.
Okay.
He's even measuring it.
Until I didn't play conkers, can't you? Is this the right technique?
Not really.
Yes, I hit it.
Like that, one more.
But do I line it up first?
No, just aim.
Yeah, but he keeps moving the bit.
Don't pull the string too hard, it sort of pulls the centre out.
Like this? Oh, it's 3. I hit you once. Now, not allowed to hurt.
Face.
It's a conker and you didn't hit
Is that your elbow?
Yeah.
Oh, David is on. Small for YouTube.
Can this move it? My finger.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, that's 1 each. Do we have to keep going?
Splits.
Have you got,
Minute, we'll be here all
you got
night.
one lined up, is it?
I was going to say, I've got a new one.
got one?
I haven't beaten anyone.
Nearly.
Shorty. You want me to do it to you?
Are you just being nice or?
No.
2, 1.
Go through the right way.
I haven't got enough oomph for
Ooh,
mine.
is there a right way and a wrong way? Ooh, which way should I do it?
I don't think David's is either.
Use your arm as well with the power.
Oh, me!
Stick on the
Oh, you want me to stop it as well?
He doesn't?
Gonna be in the wind.
Good time. Let me try one. Oh, look at it, they're drilling more.
Yes, good.
This could take all day. Oh, the better one, Ruth.
Right, die.
Die.
Means business now.
Yeah.
No.
That knee must be getting sore.
Have me elbow.
Oh, hat trick.
Girls now.
There's a hole in yours.
Yeah.
Don't tell the secrets.
Might have to call in my reserve in a minute. Simon's might be better.
Go on, Si. Oh, well done. Well
I
done.
got the technique now.
Go shorter.
Simon.
I'll do my wrist instead of my elbow. Do it.
One, two, three.
Are you able to stop it wiggling?
Yes.
Oh, you're so fussy. Don't you get on the
I think I'm going to get
wiggers.
yelled at.
Yeah, I think it's gonna this is going to go not just you guys.
You can play other games as well. It's going to look
You
at
know you want those two can
I think
play.
it should be 3 goes each, and then we'll go on to the next people.
They can play with Jessa because they're both virgins.
I'll beat you there. You're cheating.
I'll take
She's got a double whammy.
somebody else first. I'm not risking mine with a death trap already. That's against somebody who hasn't got the same disadvantage.
Please. It's not,
Well, let's
it's
get
not-
another
mine's
couple
in
in.
very
Right.
Another conker. Mike's got a conker. Have a go at mine then.
Mike.
Michael's got no shoelaces.
Yes, he has. He's got a shoelace now.
Fine.
Right, here we go then.
It's like in golf, you have like a
Amy-
handicap, don't you?
Cornwall v Devon or Scotland?
I'm not sure.
What are you going to be?
Hang on, yours is halfway up. I'm not cheating either, though. Nobody saw.
Oh, we're on the slippery slope now.
Right, you ready?
I'm hitting you and me.
Three.
It's because that's
Just
Two.
Amy, are you representing Devon or Scotland?
Scotland.
Hey, I think that's a cheat.
You look a bit vicious, Mike.
I might make a string a bit longer.
Yes.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, terribly aggressive attitude there, Michael.
Yeah, he'll catch himself in a minute.
He's going to do a sideways technique.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, I'm getting out of the way.
That's why it's banned. Makes you wonder why conkers was banned
Yeah.
in schools. Doesn't
They
it?
are not banned. I keep telling you, this is a
Alright,
myth.
as long as they wear helmets and goggles.
No, it's a myth. This is a Daily Mail mythical story.
Yeah.
What, they've been banned?
How do you get the power in a conker then? I've no idea.
Timing. Rhythm. Accuracy.
Oh,
Ow!
You want a second topic?
Yeah. Oh, that was a bit of a...
I guess I've got two.
Yes, indeed.
All the one split.
I'm a wonder already.
You lost one, Amy.
Did that without moving.
I just want to hit it. That's all I want to do. Just once, just hit it.
I can't pay you now because I'm a winner.
I'll tell you what, Mike. Where's the one? Where's the one? It's got that track. Where's the one?
Bit the bottle.
Try and put him off. One.
This is crap.
Oh.
I can't crack it. I'm not strong enough.
Someone else? Mum?
Yeah.
I'm challenging you.
Where's this conker?
Oh, you're rubbish.
Three.
That means I'm going to lose. I'm going to have that one.
Looking good. Hang on, let's have a all right, yes. Yes, that's definitely got a death crack in it. As you call it.
You understand?
That was a good one, Mark.
No, I'm rubbish at
Bring
this.
it down unless someone
Oh, that's another good one, Mark.
I'm relying on
Hang
other
on.
people's accuracy to destroy their country.
Oh yeah, Mike's quite aggressive.
I'm not very good at it. You're not, but that makes two of us.
Three.
Aren't you read the one?
Oh,
second round.
Oh, I see.
Higher or lower?
Well, hi,
Oh, no.
you know where I would be aiming.
Yeah, if I get the let's go over there.
Hang it from a tree.
Oh, missed.
I can see why it hurts. Get the whole way technique.
Well, I'm told there's a length of string.
Mark, the concentration is.
They tell me.
Yeah, well, I am.
Can you put your tongue in when you're doing it?
I admit, I am have a slight competitive edge.
Nearly. Oh, contact of some sort.
Oh,
Couple of hits there. Oh.
Yeah.
that's right.
Hello, the birds.
Yeah, the birds.
Oh my god. Not the film.
What's upset them?
Conkers, I expect.
Even longer.
The rooks are out.
If you can hit it with that extra lever.
Oh.
That's no luck.
It's shortened.
Yeah.
Hit yourself.
sideways.
Yeah.
Doesn't do conkers any good. You're still alive. You're not actually hitting each other, are
Because I've been very near to his to the restaurant, so he stays over.
Yeah.
And then we.
What? Don't let me stop. This is going on YouTube tonight.
Oh no.
Yeah.
On the YouTube.
YouTube.
Oh.
And so just after that, we moved.
Thank you.
We moved 3 different times.
Yeah.
Cool. The one in
Right, I think
Finland has been a year,
we'll
right?
call a pause there.
And all of the flats in that do overlook the